Using the LG's Oven EasyClean feature can help make cleaning safer and faster by loosening up light soils or grease splatter. In just 20 minutes with less heat and virtually no smoke or fumes, oven cleaning just gets so much easier. To start EasyClean, you will need the following items. Begin by removing oven racks and accessories from the oven. Your oven should be completely empty. Take the plastic scraper or a similar tool such as an old credit card and scrape off and remove any burnt-on debris. Fill the spray bottle with 1 1/4 cup of water. There are indicator lines located on the bottle to serve as guides. To use the spray bottle, first pump the spray bottle about 10 times. Then press and hold the trigger to spray. For continuous spraying, press down and slide the small button to lock the trigger in place. Additionally, you can also adjust the water spray to either the mist or stream setting by turning the nozzle at the tip. Spray the walls and the soils in the corners of the oven with at least 1/4 cup of water. Do not spray onto the doors, which can cause water to drip onto your floors. Take the cup of water left in your spray bottle and spray onto the bottom center of the oven cavity. The indentation of the oven bottom should be fully covered to submerge all soils. Close the oven door, turn on the oven mode knob to EasyClean, and press Start. Do not open the oven door during the EasyClean cycle to ensure safety and maximum performance. Some surfaces may be hot after the EasyClean cycle. At the end of the cycle, the tone will sound. Turn the oven mode knob to the off position. Place a towel in front of the oven underneath the lower oven door to capture any water that may spill out during hand cleaning. Clean the oven cavity immediately after the EasyClean cycle by wiping with a wet, non-scratch scouring sponge or pad. If you have a gas oven, some water may spill into the bottom vents while cleaning, but it will not hurt the burner. Avoid leaning or resting on the oven door glass while cleaning the oven cavity. Once the oven cavity is cleaned, wipe any excess water with a clean, dry towel. If some light soils remain after hand cleaning, repeat the EasyClean process, making sure to thoroughly soak the problem areas. If stubborn soils remain after multiple EasyClean cycles, you can run the self-clean cycle to rid of these soils completely.